Please state your first name.
Hi, my name is Quashan.
What symptoms first brought you into Palmetto Physical Medicine?
I was having severe back pain in my mid to lower back during the football season.
And what was the severity of your symptoms on a scale from 1 to 10?
10 being the worst, it was about an 8.
Okay. And how was your problem affecting your daily life?
Every morning when I woke up, it was kind of hard getting dressed, and then it was hard playing football, during practice and also during games.
And what services did you receive at PPM?
I received adjustments, deep tissue massages, which really helped, physical therapy, and I received some shots in my back that really helped loosen my muscles.
Great. And what has your experience been like here?
It's really been great. Everyone's nice. When you walk in, people meet you, they know your name, they're interested in, what class are you missing today? Because I always came during school, so they'll always ask me that.
Okay. And how has your life changed?
It's changed in a really positive way. I'm able to move around now. I'm able to go on longer car rides and stuff like that. So I can really go places and see things. At first, I couldn't play football with my nephews. Now I can.
And would you recommend Palmetto to your friends and family?
Oh, without a doubt. I would recommend it to a lot of people who need help with certain things like this.
Excellent. Thank you.